Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is going to be like a clean and organize with me. So I just got home and I bought a few stuff to organize my cabinets, my pantry, and the laundry. And I bought some other things. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I bought, and then I'll show you guys the process of how I put stuff, organize, and all that stuff. So I just bought some toothbrush, and then this, 2 candles, 2 small organizers that I'm gonna show you what I use these for. These are gonna go, I think, on my pantry. If it goes the way I envision, if it goes like how I want it to. And then this for the restroom. I'll just put like the toilet paper in here. So I'll just show you guys. And then 2 of these for the laundry. The laundry, I got these 2, what are these called? Self-adhesive paper foil. It just says foil. This is what it's called, decorative. Got 2. 1 to go inside the cabinets for, you know, just for that. And kind of want to put it in the kitchen, but I don't know. I don't think it look good. Anyways, I got 2 of these. 1 for the cabinets, the kitchen cabinets, and then 1 for my vanity table. Like I said, I'm gonna show you everything. And then I got a bigger one for my space downstairs in the basement. Now I don't know if I'm gonna be putting it. I gotta ask Adrian because I don't know if we're able to, and I don't know if like once you stick this and you try to take it off, like the whole paint comes off. So I'm only gonna do it on one wall. This is what the print looks like. The gray white. And then I got 2 of these. These are the dry food storage. This is what they look like. And what I like about that store is like their container stuff. It's so inexpensive. Like these were, how much were these? I think these were like €2 each. When you find these at like IKEA, like Walmart and Target level stuff, these are like $10 each or something like that. And then I got this plant for the table that we got, the coffee table that we got for the living room. And then I got these small like spice containers, but I don't know if I'm gonna put stuff in here, but I'm not sure yet. But I got 3 of these, and these were 50 cents each, and they're glass. They're so cute. Just open it. How you did it? They had a white, black, and rose gold, yeah. And then I got some coasters for the coffee table. It's just like I got 2 of the same smaller ones that I showed you guys, but these are a little bit bigger. These also are gonna go in the pantry. So I already have some in the fridge, but I couldn't find those. Those were the ones I was looking for, the cans, for my cans, but they don't have them anymore. But you could use these for like, just shows you here, for storage, like car to put stuff in your car, your pantry, and the fridge. I'm not gonna be using it for my fridge since I already have those, but I'm gonna show you guys how I organize those ones in the fridge. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Like I said, I was gonna go back and get some more containers, and I did do that, but I also bought some other things that I wanted to show you guys. But first, I bought these containers. I got a big one, a medium one, and a small one, and I got these for the I'm gonna start waxing myself again, so I did get like the big sticks, medium or small, and then I did grab this wax warmer, I think like 2 weeks ago. So I wanted to record myself like waxing my entire body, well, not my entire body, but pretty much my entire body. So that's gonna be the next video. I also bought this wax. Today's wax warmer came with 4 of these. I already poured 2 in there, and it came with the small popsicles. So yeah, I think that's gonna be my next video because I did let my hair grow for about a week and a half or 2, and it's pretty long already. So that's the video I wanted to do next. And then I did grab this small one for the little chocolate chips. And then I grabbed another small one and 2 big ones. I'm also gonna go a little bit fast just because I don't want this video to be long. It's already long. And then I grabbed another one of the dry food storage containers and a big of the small containers for the spices. I got 4 of those, a candle, and a soap dispenser. And then the last thing I got, it was another white one. Okay, so these are the ones I was talking about. I got 2 and then just 1 smaller one. They're a mess, but I'll just show you guys what I put in there and how I organize it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I put in this container. These I also got them at that Action store, like just cleared, and these are like $1. This is how this one. What it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the before of the pantry. It's not gonna be much difference just because I didn't buy a lot of the organizers, so I'm just gonna see how it looks, and then if I like it, I'm gonna go back and grab some more. Okay, so this is the top, this is the bottom, and the other one. Okay, so this one is the bigger one, and I'm going to use this for the candles. popcorn and the oatmeal. Now for these, I'm going to be putting rice, and I think the other one maybe cereal. I'm not too sure, but I'll show you guys what I put on the other one. So for this one, I forgot I got this for the cookies. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I saw someone on YouTube they used something similar to this, but it was like they had different dividers. They put their lids in between the dividers, so it kind of looks really nice and organized, but I couldn't find those, so I'm just gonna leave that there. It's gonna look messy and ugly. But yeah, I'm gonna be putting this in here. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Maybe I will, but it's because I don't know what to put my camera on. So yeah. For the little containers, I'm going to put some bay leaves, Italian seasoning, and the black pepper. basket. This is where I wanted to put it. It's in the restroom. And I'm just going to put the toilet paper in here. It looks so much better. I had it without a box, like I would just put it here, but this, it's a lot better. These two baskets, I'm going to be putting like the detergent, this, what else do we have? Oh. And the Clorox. So this is where I like usually put the detergent and stuff. This is in here. Like this. Now for the other books, I'm gonna use I'm gonna put the tools in there. Just because this area is like so messy, and yeah. Like there's stuff there. I'm gonna have to buy more organizers. I just wanted to see how everything was gonna look and if it was gonna fit. So, and so yeah. Oops. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. That's the toilet paper, paper towels, and this is what it looks like now. And the detergent basket. Okay.